Assalamu alaikum everyone. 70th reaction back with another reaction with Shaman. Oh my god. I'm back with Shaman, White Wind, the fate of a man with Boris Koroshivinkov. Koroshivinkov. So I am a huge fan of Shaman and yeah, huge fan. My name is Samir. I have depression, anxiety attack, music, help me a lot, YouTube help me a lot, you are help me a lot, and you all know what I mean. Let's start 3, 2, 1. It is coming right now. Let's start. Let's go. Oh my god. Wow. And without forget, Holy Gankas, thank you so much for this video. I know this song. Oof. Oh my god, his voice. Oh. Amazing, yeah. Oh my god. Man, yo. All respect, yo, man. Shaman, fans, lovers, all respect. All love from Algeria. Thank you so much for being watching my reaction, and you are amazing. Thank you so much. See you in next video, inshallah, with Shaman. And don't forget to smash the button. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, anything. anything means so much to me. So thank you.